Hi everyone, in this video we shall see the topics of the subject Statistics for Management BA 4101 Unit 1 Probability. First let us see some basic definitions which are required for solving the problems. Random experiment. An experiment whose output is uncertain even though all the outcomes are known is called a random experiment. Example, tossing a coin. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment is called a sample space and is denoted by S. Example, for tossing a fair coin, sample space is collection of all head and tail. Event. A subset of a sample space is called event. It is denoted by A. Mutually exclusive events. Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if they do not occur simultaneously. That is, A intersection B is empty. Next definition is probability. Probability of an event A is P of A, which is equal to dn of A by n of S. Now let us see few axioms of probability. First one is P of A lies between 0 and 1. Next one, P of S equal to 1. And the third axiom is P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B under the condition A and B are mutually exclusive. Independent events. We say that two events A and B are independent if the occurrence of one does not affect the occurrence of other event. Conditional probability. If the probability of the event A provided the event B has already occurred is called the conditional probability and is P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B by P of B, where P of B is not equal to 0. Next definition is random variable. A random variable is a function that assigns a real number for all the outcomes in the sample space of a random experiment. We have two types of random variables. One is discrete random variable and the other is continuous random variable. Now let us see the definition of discrete random variable. A discrete random variable is a random variable whose possible values constitute finite set of values or countably infinite set of values. That is, the values of x will be countable. Probability mass function. Let x be a discrete random variable, then p of x is said to be probability mass function of x if 0 less than or equal to p of xi less than or equal to 1 and summation p of xi equal to 1. Now let us see a problem. A discrete random variable x has the following probability distribution. That is, the values of x are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 8 and its corresponding probability p of x are given as a, 3a, etc. up to 17a. Here first we have to find the value of a, then we have to find p of x less than 3, p of 0 less than x less than 3, p of x greater than or equal to 3, and also we have to find the distribution of x. First we know that summation p of x equal to 1. So we are adding up all the probabilities which is equal to 1. So we have 81a equal to 1, which implies a equal to 1 by 81. Next, p of x less than 3. X less than 3 means the value of x is 0, 1 and 2. So by adding the corresponding probabilities, that is a plus 3a plus 5a, which is equal to 9a. But already we know the value of a is 1 by 81. So p of x less than 3 is 9 by 81. Next one is p of 0 less than x less than 3. It means the value of x lies between 0 and 3. That is, the value of x is 1 and 2. So here by adding the corresponding probability 3a and 5a, we have 8a, where the value of a is 1 by 81. The answer for p of 0 less than x less than 3 is 8 by 81. Next, p of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus p of x less than 3. Already we have determined the value of p of x less than 3 as 9 by 81. So by substituting we have p of x greater than or equal to 3 value is 72 by 81. Next is to find the distribution of x. That is, we are going to find the value of f of x corresponding to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 8. When x is equal to x is equal to 0, we have f of 0 value is 1 by 81 by definition. Next, when x equal to 1, we have f of 1 value is f of 0 plus p of 1. Here the value of f of 0 is 1 by 81. Just now we have determined. and the value of P of 1 is given as 3 by 81. So by adding, we have the value of f of 1 as 4 by 81. Similarly, when x equal to 2, we have f of 2 equal to f of 1 plus P of 2. By substituting the value of f of 1 as 4 by 81 and the P of 2 value is 5 by 81, by adding these two, we have the answer of f of 2 as 9 by 81. Similarly, we have to determine the value for f of x when x is equal to 3, 4, etc. up to 8. Now let us see f of 8. f of 8 is equal to, by definition we have f of 7 plus P of 8, which is equal to 64 by 81 plus 17 by 81, which is equal to 1. The value of f of 8, that is the last value, should be 1. From that we can determine whether the rest of the values are correct or not. Thank you.